Good morning, everyone. Dear student, in previous chapter, we also discussed about Hitler rise to power. In this concept, we also discuss about starting phase in 1919. Hitler joined a small political party. After some time, he also captured maximum power in his hand. He also renamed his political party. Then he participated in election procedure. And finally, Hitler also come into power in 1933. After coming to power, Hitler also destruction of democracy and take the maximum power in his hand. Hitler also make many policies. He also started in Billing Act. According to this act, maximum power rests in the hand of one person. Army, economic activities, judiciary, media controlled by Hitler. So we are also aware during the time of Hitler and during the time of election, Hitler also do many promises. When Hitler come into power, his political party come into power, they also give economic resources. They also provided employment to youth. So after coming to power, Hitler also make many policies. In today's lecture, we also discuss about reconstruction of Germany, economic, Hitler foreign policies, Hitler starts Second World War. So in today's lecture, what step taken by Hitler to reconstruction German economy? Reconstruction of economy introduced by Hitler. Hitler assigned the economy recovery to economics Hasmal. So after coming to power, first aim of Hitler political party, again economic recovery. Because during the time of election campaigning, Hitler also do many promises. In many promises, one of his most famous promise, again German became the supreme power in this in the world. So according to these promises, first aim of Hitler to reconstruction of economy in German. So इसके लिए जो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है एक इकोनॉमिक्स है हजमल साहब उसको रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी प्रोवाइड किया गया. They aim at full production and full employment through a state funded work creation program. According to this economic recovery program, they start a production in Germany. And according to these productions, they start employment. They give employment according to be one of work. This work also related to be state funded work creation program. जो state की तरफ से कुछ वर्क स्टार्ट किया गया अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस वर्क दे गिव द एम्प्लॉयमेंट टू यूथ कम्युनिटी बिकॉज दे टू प्रोमिस ड्यूरिंग द टाइम ऑफ इलेक्शन कंपेनिंग उन्होंने प्रोमिस किया था यहाँ पे प्रोडक्शन स्टार्ट करेंगे और प्रोडक्शन में जो आपका एम्प्लॉयमेंट दिया जाएगा सो दे स्टार्ट दिस प्रोग्राम्स इन जर्मनी अकॉर्डिंग टू बी स्टेट फंडेड वर्क क्रिएशन प्रोग्राम जो स्टेट की तरफ से फंड जिनको प्रोवाइड किया जाएगा सो दे स्टार्ट दिस वर्क. This product produced the famous German superhighway and the people car Volkswagen. According to this system, they started superhighways in Germany. And according to this system, they also want to achieve again economic resources in Germany. And they also start create एक कंस्ट्रक्शन वहां पे स्टार्ट किया गया है. मोस्ट फेमस जो वर्ल्ड की कार है Volkswagen. And in many another work also started by Hitler, foreign policy, he adopted, started new foreign policy. First, in upper part, we also discuss about, he also achieved economic activity according to be different type of work system. Then in second policies, foreign policy, he also want to रिक्वायर टू क्विक सक्सेस वो जल्दी से जल्दी अपने आप को सक्सेस करना चाहता है. फर्स्ट ही पुल्ड आउट ऑफ लीग ऑफ नेशन इन 1933 रीऑक्यूपाइड राइनलैंड इन 1936. फर्स्ट सबसे पहले उसने अपने आप को लीग ऑफ नेशन से 1933 में पुल आउट कर लिया बाहर निकाल लिया. एंड ही आल्सो रीऑक्यूपाइड राइनलैंड इन 1936. वी आल्सो अवेयर अबाउट राइनलैंड आल्सो कंट्रोल्ड बाय alliance country according to the Treaty of Versailles. And League of Nations also create after the end of First World War, main aim of League of Nations to create peace in the world. We also aware about present time in the world. UNO also create after the end of Second World War. Main aim of UNO to create peace in the different part of world and also help to poor country. So after the end of First World War, create League of Nations and first Hitler also pulled out League of Nations in 1933. अपने आप को बाहर निकाल लिया. He integrated Austria with Germany under the slogan "One People, One Nation, and One Leader." Austria is the neighboring country with Germany. He also integrate Austria according to one people कि वहाँ के जो people एक ही जैसे हैं, एक ही nation था और वहाँ का leader भी एक होना चाहिए. Then he went to capture German-speaking Switzerland from Czechoslovakia. Czechoslovakia, another neighboring country of Germany. In Czechoslovakia, maximum people also speak Germany, so he also captured to be Switzerland. He earned unspoken support from England, which has considered Versailles verdict too harsh. We also aware about what happened in Treaty of Versailles. In Treaty of Versailles, German also pay uh, uh, war compensation to be alliance country, but जो war compensation दिया गया इसमें इंग्लैंड को कोई भी benefits नहीं हुआ. So at this time, England also unspoken support, बगैर दिखाने वाली support वो करता है जर्मनी की. This quick success at home and the abroad seem to the recover to the dignity of the country. So ये एक success वो करना चाहता है अपने घर पे भी and different part of world. Course of and event of Second World War in September 1939, German invaded Poland. German attack on Poland and starting the Second World War. This started a war with the France and England. उसके ऊपर भी attack किया गया. September 1940, Tripartite Pact was signed. German, Italy and Japan. तीन कंट्रियों ने एक पैक्ट साइन किया जिसमें जर्मनी, इटली और जापान आए हैं. His strength is to be power of Hitler and to become the international power. तो इससे उसकी जो पावर थी वो बढ़ गई है इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे. पपेट रीजन जो छोटी कंट्री है स्पोर्टिव ऑफ नाजी वर इंस्टॉल्ड इन द लार्ज पार्ट ऑफ यूरोप. यूरोप में अपनी पावर को फैलाने के लिए जो पपेट्स रीजन में छोटी कंट्रीज हैं दे सपोर्टेड टू बी हिटलर. In the end of 1940, Hitler was at the pinnacle of his power. In the peak, बिल्कुल पावर उसकी काफी बढ़ चुकी है. Hitler moved to achieve long-term aim of conquering Eastern Europe. Now Hitler also want to extend their boundary in Eastern European part. Eastern part में भी extend करना चाहता है. He wanted to ensure food supply and living space for Germany. ताकि जो उसकी population है उसको वहां पे stable किया जाए और पॉपुलेशन के लिए जो फूड है खाने की चीजें हैं वो अवेलेबल हो. जून 1941 he also attack on Soviet Union. Soviet Union पे अटैक किया गया. In this historical blunder, Hitler export German Western Front to Britain, Ireland and bombing and to the Eastern Front from powerful Soviet army. जो ये अटैक उसने किया है 1941 में ये सोवियत यूनियन पे ये उसकी लाइफ का हिस्टोरिकल ब्लंडर है, एक ऐतिहासिक भूल है. बिकॉज एट दिस टाइम जर्मन आल्सो डिफीटेड इन वन साइड वेस्टर्न साइड ब्रिटेन एंड इन ईस्टर्न साइड डिफीटेड बाय सोवियत आर्मी. द सोवियत रेड आर्मी हैज डिफीटेड जर्मन इन स्टैलिनग्राड में उनको डिफीट किया गया. दे we also aware about at this time they hunted out of the returning German soldier until they reached the Berlin. वो जब तक उनको डिफीट करते रहे जब तक कि वो हर बर्लिन तक वापस नहीं गए. It helped the Soviet to establish their dominance in the Eastern Europe. और इससे जो सोवियत कंट्री है उसके उसकी पावर इंक्रीज हुआ. जो नेतृत्व करने का एक पार्ट था ईस्टर्न यूरोपियन कंट्री में वहां से उसकी पावर को इंक्रीज किया गया. यूएस डिड नॉट एंटर द वॉर. They fear to economic crisis once again like after the First World War. In the same time, US not willing to enter in Second World War because US also faced many economic problems after the end of First World War. So starting phase, US not willing to enter in Second World War. But it could not stay out of the war for long. लेकिन ज्यादा टाइम तक वो बाहर नहीं रह पाया. Japan tried to expand their power in the east. जापान अपनी पावर को ईस्ट में इंक्रीज करना चाहता है. दे ऑक्यूपाइड फ्रांस, इंडो चाइना. दे प्लान टू अटैक ऑन यूएस नेवल बेस इन पैसिफिक. उसने सबसे पहले फ्रांस इंडो चाइना को ऑक्यूपाइड किया गया. देन दे आल्सो अटैक ऑन यूएस नेवल बेस. जो पैसिफिक ओशियन में उनका यूएस नेवल बेस है उसके ऊपर अटैक करने का प्लान किया गया. जापान एक्सटेंडेड देयर सपोर्ट टू हिटलर एंड बॉम्ब द यूएस बेस एट पर्ल हार्बर. जापान को हिटलर का सपोर्ट मिला और उसने यूएस बेस में जो पर्ल हार्बर में जो यूएस का बेस है, नेवल बेस है, उसके ऊपर बॉम्ब करना स्टार्ट किया. फाइनली यूएस एंटर्ड इनटू द सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर. When Japan attacked on Pearl Harbor, so at this time, US also entered in Second World War. In May 1945, the Second World War come to be an end of the defeat of Germany and Hitler committed suicide. This part we already discussed in early phase of this chapter related to be in the May 1945 in Berlin bunker. Hitler and his minister also commitment suicide with his family. So this is the end of Second World War. US dropped atom bomb on Hiroshima and Nagasaki in Japan. On 6 August, US also dropped atom bomb on Hiroshima, and 9 August they again dropped bomb on Nagasaki. And we also aware about what is the result of these atom bombs. Those are dropped by US on Japan. We also aware about Japan also face lot of problems. So this is the view of atom bombs. These are the casualties जो उनके shoes है, death जिनकी हो चुकी है. And what happened after the dropping of atom bomb on Hiroshima and Nagasaki? We already aware about results of atom bombs. So remaining part we continue in next lecture.